then I'm going to bring up your next comedian. Because she is very sweet, she's very charming, she's like the girl next door. Love them and leave them. Live Doty! We planned this. Welcome to your fashion, Shauna. All right, what is up, San Luis Obispo? It's great to be here. Let's give it up for all the great comics we've seen tonight. Yeah? It's the mood lighting or the wine bag that I crushed outside, but you all are looking super attractive right now. Like I'm regretting wearing underwear a little bit. So, I've been trying to lose weight for like a long time. My mom knows this, she's got me. Yeah, I've been trying to lose weight for a while. I've tried like a lot of different diets. Tried eating, like veggies and that's it. And I tried other healthy stuff like sleep and wine. It makes me happy. But I actually did put my nose to the grindstone. I even did hot yoga. Yeah. I know you can tell because I did it 4 weeks ago. And I'm still sweating. After like a long time of trying to lose weight, I finally did it. You guys are not gonna believe this, but I lost like 150 pounds recently. And that's very exciting. Thank you. Yeah, his name was Michael. Just to clarify, it's my ex. I don't name the weight I lose. That's really weird, right? That's a little weird. Don't name the weight you have, Like, who are you carrying tonight? Kelly? I don't know. She can stay, though. Okay. I don't think I have to press this issue, but just in case you're ever doubting, do not name the weight, okay? Especially don't name it something you're gonna miss. Like Michael. Or Dick. You gotta name it something you're willing to let go, like Keith. Scientifically, the least attractive white. His name's Keith, that's why he's walking away. I nailed it. You see? Instantly left. I've never met an older Keith. I've never met a Keith that's in his 50s and doing well. They're usually, playing skee-ball somewhere. And then I don't know what happens after that. Evolutionarily speaking, you got some work to do. Keith. But I did go through a breakup, and I am losing weight. So I gotta say, if you want to lose some weight, have just a little bit of depression with a side of rejection. It does wonders for your curves. I'm telling you, folks. Best diet ever. No wonder why people in Hollywood are breaking up all the time. Yeah. It's not because, the love's gone or someone cheated. No. It's because ring, ring, Hollywood called. They just got a call to do a movie, and now they have to drop a quick 20. It's really good that it happened, actually, because he had my dad's name. Whoa, it gets better. It's also my brother's name. You can see the confusion in the bedroom. I didn't even have to call him Daddy. It was easy. His look of disappointment was enough. Yeah. Oh, that's still harder than I thought it was. Ouch. Thanks, Aroma. Yeah, I really gotta stop dating people with my dad's name. I just should probably start dating people named Dad. So if there's any dads in the audience, let a girl know. Looking at you, I don't know, maybe I'll give Mom a try something new. Opportunities wide open for me right now. Speaking of my mom, I mentioned her earlier. She's sitting right there. She is the best mom on the planet. And for a second, let's give it up for all moms, okay? But they do not yet. Let's give it up for expectant moms. Soon-to-be moms. Not that I'm pregnant, but maybe, I don't know. It's an adventure, Mom. I just have to make sure that you're ready to raise this. I have to make sure that you're ready to raise this baby as your own. I mean, like, I'm in a tough spot. I'm going through a breakup right now. That's not, like, ideally the time to raise a baby, but I feel like you got this. Like, I support you 100%. And if you haven't done the math yet, because it took me a while too, but like, hey, I'm single now. Oh yeah, that deserves no applause. Yeah. That tracks. That absolutely tracks. I get to do all the fun things now that I'm single. Do you know how hard it is? Do you know how hard it is to pop your own back zips when you don't have a partner? Okay? I mean, I used to have that 24/7. Now I'm rubbing up against walls, door frames, rubbing up against anything to get a good pop. That may have gone into the breakup. I don't know yet. Yeah, but speaking of rubbing, do I even need to say it? I gotta have sex with myself again. And that's really hard for me because I don't know if you can tell, like probably not. I'm a very lazy lover. Very lazy lover. Like my idea of doggy style is taking a nap. So it's gonna take some work, you know. But at least like when I do it, I'll come first. So that's nice. And then I'm gonna have to start like dating again. Like that's not even in the realm of like me right now, but I'm gonna have to start dating, and I'm not gonna use like any of the apps like the Tinder, the Bumble, the Bagel Meets Coffee. I'm not gonna use any of those. I'm gonna stick with it, Jane. I'm gonna stick with it. You know why? Do you know why? Because I'm gonna use Uber. I mean, if you use Uber, you know two things about them from the start. They got a job, and they have a car. Locked, loaded, right there. It's a world of possibilities, Sabrina's mom. I'm sorry, I don't know your name. She gets it. She gets it. And I gotta do like fun things, like actual fun things. Oh, yeah. I gotta wrap it up, folks. I'm gonna have too much fun. They told me to wrap it up like my relationship. Okay, well. The fun thing that I really gotta do now is like I've always wanted this tattoo, and my boyfriend never wanted me to get it, but like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it now. What a perfect time to make a permanent decision, like right now. So I just want to pitch it to you guys first. Okay, so picture me, single, empowered. Like these gates are closed for a while, but on my inner thigh, right here, a beautiful big portrait of Nicolas Cage. Right here, with the crazy eyes. It's in every movie. You gotta seen it. And then one day I'm gonna like dust off the cobwebs on my cage, and I get the pleasure of seeing his face when my legs open and he makes direct eye contact with Nicolas Cage. And I get a look at him and I'll just say, "This is your national treasure now, bitch."